Guys, mobility scooters in the house. So when I got this, or when it came to me with the problems, I managed to fire it up. Remember, I had an issue with the key thing at the top. You can see it, the new keys in. But when I actually fired it up, it made a lot of beeping noise, and I'm like, "What the hell is this? I don't know what these are for." Remember, I said like my dad got it for an uncle, so he gave it to me to sort out. So I've never used or tried to mess around one of these. So turn the key, powers up, the thing just constantly beeping like this, and I'm like, something must be wrong. Do you hear that? Now, it took me a while googling and shoogling to find out what's going on. So basically, it's beeping, and that sequence of beeps is telling you that the brake is on, and there's a brake. If you look at the back behind the seat, there's a little yellow thing sticking out. Can you see this here? Yeah? Can you see that? So can you see this? Okay, so this is the brake. Now, when you're not using it, it should be on, I think. And when you want to use it, when you actually want to use it, it has to be down, right? So that's locked when it's stowed away. And when you want to actually use it, you need to drop this down, and the beeps will stop the next time you start it up. So let me just show you that again. So I'm going to power it off, power it on, no beeping. And if key popped out, but it's still on. If I hit everything's okay now. That's the horn, that's the actual electronic horn. And if I just push it forward, I'm going to go back. Okay, so remember, if the back handbrake or whatever you want to call it is on, you'll get, so that's on. Can you hear it? As soon as I put it on, so I'm going to turn it off. That's clear. If I put it back on again, it's locked. Yeah, for stowing away, and now it's good to go. Okay, so make sure the back handbrake. This is a Sterling Little Gem, the first one, sold in the UK, I guess. But I think most of them have that kind of little handbrake on the back, or whatever it is, that brake that locks the motor in place or something like that. And without that, it won't run. And when you turn it on, you hear that constant beeping, the sequence of beeps. So you need to make sure that that's down, and you're good to go. Okay, thanks for watching. Catch us in the next one. See you soon.